Hey everybody, it's Stuart K from Bearable Traders, and I'm going to try to do my first recap today. I've been trading live since January 2019. Uh, I spent about 6 months in simulator before that, and my P&L was looking like this right here. It's no good. So I went back to sim, and I'm slowly transitioning into some live trading. And I took 4 trades on MU this morning live and one AMAT live trade. So I'll go over those. The first trade, I saw a lot of volume coming in on MU like normal in the morning, and I saw it break above this first candle, so I took an entry here, and it popped up fairly quickly to this level, and I went ahead and took a quick profit right here. I kept watching it. I took a second trade long on it. It looked like an ABCD pattern, and I expected the trend to continue up here. But as you can see, I went along here, and then I got stopped out here at this level as soon as it broke that level. I took another stab at it. These are all long trades, and I got in here. Price action moved up, but then it looked like it was going to be weak again, and I got out again. So I saw where it popped up, and I decided to take one more trade at it. I think I might have been influenced by Andrew, but I can't blame him for it. Um, so again, it looked like a flag up, and so I took it long here. Watched it climb up, but then it dropped back down, and I exited my position. So let's see. I guess that's 2 winners and 2 losers on MU. And then the last trade that I did today was on AMAT, and the stock was active today. It gapped up gapped down 4%, and I was looking to take this again. Let's see, I did a long on this trade. Let's see, is that right? Let me look at my P&L. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like I went short. Yeah, I did 2 trades on AMAP. One of these was a simulator trade, this one here. And so I went short here, and then I got stopped out. And so I just kept my powder dry for a little bit, and I saw where uh, AMAT uh, had made this double bottom here. And so uh, I decided to take a long position here when it broke above this candle, this 1 minute candle, and coincided with this 5 minute break. And I took it long, took my partials out up here, and then got stopped out at break even. So that was my day. I guess that's 5 trades live and a small green day. So maybe there's hope after all. I will keep trying to educate myself through the Variable Trader website and review the classes again. And actually, I just picked this up and I started reading it, but I got to be honest with you, it's a little dry. But I got to keep plugging away on it so I can understand uh, better the volume price. So I guess that's about it. Hope everybody had a green day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow in the chat.